Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can make a plant shop in Heartopia. So we're going to grab our low walls first, and we're going to add three first. It's going to be 3 by 2. And for the color of the wall, I'm just going to use this one here. You don't have to use the exact same, but that's what I'm using. Then I'm just going to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 across here, and I'm just going to remove this one at the very bottom, and we're also going to remove the ones in the middle. Then I'm just going to add our pillars now. We're going to add one here in this color. We're going to add 4. So 1, 2, and then like 2 tiles here, and then another one here. Then I'm just going to grab a wall from here, and I'm just going to do kind of like a similar thing here. I'm just going to remove this part, and then I'm also going to do that again here. So let's remove the one on the bottom and the ones in the middle. And again on this side, but this one's a little bit different. We're just going to rotate this one first. Then I'm just going to remove this and leave only one. So this is like kind of like the entrance, I guess. Then we're going to add some floorings. I'm just going to place it on top here so I can color in the ceiling, which is always crucial when you do these. I'm just going to color it this dark brown color, and then we're going to use this as a flooring in this dark brown color as well. We're then going to want to place this on this wall here. If I can just place it here. And I'm just going to leave some extra for our ceiling. Don't know why I've been having a hard time saying our. Like, that's just annoying. Okay, anyways, once you're done, we are going to add the storage, like wooden wall storage in this color. Sorry, that's not the darkest brown. And we're just going to place it all around this area. Then we're going to add stairs. You can use any stairs you want. I'm just going to use this one and this color as well. And I'm also going to add another like pillar here in a dark brown color. Place it just like this. We're then going to add the awning on here, and I'm just going to color it green, like so. And if you'd like to, if you have these like flower planter box, you can add it on top here as well. I'm just going to color the flowers red and like a darker green for the leaves. And I'm just going to color the planter like a dark brown color. And I think I'm going to color the soil like darker as well. And I'm just going to place it all around like so. So I think I'm just going to also like rotate it so it's always like facing outwards. Don't think it matters that much, but that's just what I'm gonna do. And here I'm just going to decorate the inside, and I'll be right back with the finished results. Oh, also, I forgot, you don't actually need to hollow the back out for the display. I forgot to close that out. But yeah, I'm just going to decorate even more, I guess. And here's the finished results. You can add more plants and decorate however you'd like, but that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!